Welcome to Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native, video number 108. In this lesson, let us learn a simple yet important grammar aspect. For those of you completely new to this channel, you can check the 100 plus videos that I've already made for you to learn Tamil in an entertaining way. It covers everything from short phrases, grammar, vocabulary, conversation, etc. Let us see the different usage of a personal pronoun in a phrase and compare that with the English phrases for easy understanding. For example, na and எனக்கு, that is I and to me or for me. அவ or அவளுக்கு, she or to her, for her. When do we use na and எனக்கு or அவ or அவளுக்கு? Let us see that in this video. For example, she eats cake. அவ cake சாப்பிடுறா. She likes cake. அவளுக்கு cake பிடிக்கும். In the above case, English uses she in both the forms, while in Tamil, our changes to அவளுக்கு in the second phrase. This is an important distinction that some of you folks have problem with, as I understand it from the comments, but it is very easy one. There are two types of verbs, if you can understand them as a concept or notion. One type of verbs is the action that you do or you have control of. And the second type of verb is induced by something else where you have no full control. Just look at the picture there, a group of people singing. I'm singing. நான் பாடுறேன். I like to sing. எனக்கு பாட பிடிக்கும். To me, singing is light. Well, I'm just making an odd English phrase for you just to understand. In the first case, you do the action which you can stop anytime, which you have control of. In the second case, it shows you have an inclination for singing and you like it. Some people don't like to sing. The first one is your direct controlled action, and the second one is somewhat out of your control. In the first case, the verb is conjugated with respect to the pronoun. In the second case, as you can see, it is impersonal, third person singular. I need it. Just imagine the women there saying that. எனக்கு இது வேணும். To me, this is needed. Here, you just need something, but you have no control of it. You may get it or you may not get it. நான் இதை எடுத்துக்கிறேன். I take it. Or let me take it. She needs it and she takes it. And here it is na. This is easier. You can decide to take it or not take it, as it is an action in control. And hence it is na. நான் சாப்பாடு சாப்பிடல. I did not eat the food. In this case, again, it is easy for you to understand. It's an action that you do not choose to do. To understand negative sentences, you can check my earlier lesson. எனக்கு சாப்பாடு பிடிக்கல. I did not like the food. எனக்கு சாப்பாடு பிடிக்கல. எனக்கு பழம் பிடிக்குது. I like the fruits. எனக்கு பழம் பிடிக்குது. In both the above cases, it's just your feelings, not your choice of action. நான் சாப்பிட போறேன். I'm going to eat. எனக்கு பசிக்குது. I'm hungry. I hope it is getting easy for you. The first one is an action you're going to do, and the second one is hunger that you have no control of. I'm going to dance. நான் டான்ஸ் ஆட போகிறேன். It is boring to me. எனக்கு போர் அடிக்குது. Dance is an action by you, and boredom is a feeling that you don't know why or when or how it happens. உனக்கு பழம் வேணுமா? You want fruit? நீ பழம் வாங்குறியா? Are you buying fruits? Simple here. The first one is inquiring a wish, and the second one is an action. எனக்கு கால் வலிக்குது. My leg hurts. எனக்கு இறைக்குது. I'm panting. நான் ஓடுறேன். I'm running. I'm sure you can understand yourself. அவங்க கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க. அவங்க அழறாங்க. She's suffering. She's crying. These are both controllable action. Now, uncontrollable feelings. அவங்களுக்கு கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. அவங்களுக்கு அழுக வருது. It is distressing or difficult for her. She gets a feeling to cry. அவங்க கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க or அழறாங்க, that is she or they suffering, crying. So it's an action. Maybe she does not really need to suffer, yet she suffers. The second one is feeling. அவங்களுக்கு கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. அழுக வருது. It is difficult for her or them. She gets the feeling to cry. I know it's wrong to frame an English sentence like this, but it is just for you to understand. In the first case, she is suffering, but she could find a way to come out of it. But she suffers. She cries. In the second case, it shows the situation or an external indescribable factor that has caused her suffering or something that makes her cry. Conclusion and my tips to you all. Just a couple of sentences, and as we see and learn new phrases, it will automatically register in your mind. It is not possible to draw logic every time. This is only for you to understand the concept. So don't worry, learn it quick. Go ahead and speak. All the best, best, best. Bye, bye.